Hi, my name's Steve Ruffley, creator of iView Charts. Now, iView Charts works on MetaTrader, which is a very powerful charting free package. So let's take an example of things that are moving in the market now. So let's take, I don't know, the dollar CAD. Doesn't matter. Drag the dollar CAD on, arrange the windows vertically, and you can see the difference that we're going to see between a standard MT4 chart and my iView charts. So what we go is go to the templates, put my hourly templates, these are hourly charts, and all of a sudden we can see the difference. Okay, so market finds resistance, key pivot point in the 50%, and then see where the market's going to find points of attraction on the low side. So we break from this point here where we're trading, the next logical point to go down in the dollar CAD is the level down here, and that's 70 ticks away. So the next logical level is 1.10312. So all of a sudden you get instant technical analysis. Drag any product you like across, and the framework works for anything, any product you can imagine, from forex, indices, CFDs, it doesn't matter. So for years and years I've been teaching people to trade, and I get the same questions time and time again. You know, Steve, what time frame should I use? What indicators? What oscillators? It gets a bit boring after a while, so again, that's why I developed iView charts. Take gold for instance. Gold, very popular market, so let's just tile those windows, and I would say use 3 time frames, starting with the daily to 15 minute. So daily, put your daily template on. In the middle, we've got the hourly already set, put the hourly template on. And in the right hand side, put the 15-minute chart on with indicators there. So all of a sudden you've got instant technical analysis. Gold's been in a big downtrend, but 4 positive days, so we're looking for low points to buy. Low points in the fib, hold above the 50%, market goes higher. Doesn't get a lot easier than that. So your 15-minute for entry, when you can see the market has found a good level of support. Again, you can draw your own lines on anything you think of interest. So again, when the market's found support above here, you buy looking for new highs to be made. So again, a very quick example of how you could use iView charts on any product for the different time frames. Now that's not enough. You can use my trade view. So if we go to the indicators, add our custom indicator trade view, this is very much like the market watch. All this does is order the charts into order of potential buys, no trades, breakouts, sells. So all of a sudden you get an idea of what the markets are doing. So you can search by volume, demarker, RSI, or my favourite Fibonacci. So I look for the 50% Fibonacci and look for a key breakout. So a breakout here in the euro dollar. Okay, so all we have to do, double click on that chart. Instantly iView brings it up. So we're going to break out in the euro dollar in an uptrend, hold above that 50%, we're going to break up to the high side. So you start buying. Simple as that. Okay, now this iView chart is meant to be used on your everyday trading. So again, you can have as many of these profiles set up as you want. So you can set one for the indices, commodities, it doesn't matter. It's down to you how much effort you want to put in. Other key things that I like to do is I say that trading is 80% technical, 20% fundamental. We don't want to miss the news. Well, it doesn't matter, I've got that covered. Put the newsreader onto your charts, and on this chart here, what we see, key news events coming through onto your charts directly in real time, telling you the importance and the figures. So you're never going to miss a figure again. Okay, so you get the news, you get the technical indicators, all these wrapped up into one complete package that you can personalize and tailor and put your own trading ideas around, but you're always going to have my solid framework of what the market's trying to achieve. Now, if you want an hour of my time to teach you to trade, you know, perhaps 1 hour a week for the rest of the year, that's over $11,500. You can get my basic iView package for a yearly discount of $999 or just $79 a month. So it's down to you how much you want to invest. But I don't really think $79 to have that kind of information is a big ask. I mean, there's all these other indicators you're going to get. I don't have time to go through them all because you're going to tune out. What you have to do is try it for yourself. But again, the great one I love to use is the bias. So the market is telling you, where the market wants to find support and resistance. Low points, buy. Market goes up. High points, market recovers. Again, a lot of power here that you can use on any time frame, and again, it's down to you what combination you use. For more information, you've got the contact form on your right. Just drop me an email. As I said, you get a big discount for the yearly package prices, but if you want to just try it out for 1 month, you can cancel at any time. $79. That'll probably be the biggest investment you've probably made in trading, maybe. But if not, then it's a bargain. It's a real win-win situation, I would say. You get to use the charts for a whole month to see if you can get on board. And again, follow me on all my live free webinars. Okay, that is iView Charts.